gente, Louis the Boilerman here, guys. We're over here in Oceanside, New York, guys. We got the call, and hey, there's no cooling. So we diagnosed it, and we figured out there's an actual leak. So we took care of the leak. Well, we haven't taken care of the leak yet, but we're going to take care of that very shortly. But they have a leak at the Schrader valve, so there's no refrigerant in the system, and we figure out that the Schrader valve is leaking. Also, they have a bad TXV valve. And also, whenever you open up a system, you have to change the filter dryer. So guys, today we're going to change the filter dryer, we're going to replace the TXV valve, and we're going to replace the Schrader valve. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the process, and I'm going to take you through the journey today to what it is to change that TXV valve, hey, and get them some cooling, baby. Wepa! All right, mi gente, we just finished wrapping it up in the attic, meaning we installed the TXV valve. The TXV valve is shot. We also had to replace the filter dryer, which we already just changed. So now we're in the process of charging it with nitrogen, which I bring the pressure all the way up to about 300 to 325 psi. I mean, I personally like to double up the pressure, and the reason for that, because if there's a leak is going to come out. I know the operating pressure on the low side is typically about like 120, 125, and of course on the high side can be anywhere between like 250, 300 on a hot day. So why not double up to about 325, 350 is fine. You don't have to go too crazy. But if there is a leak, it will show. And yes, exactly what we did. A leak did come. A leak did arise. So at the TXV valve, the threads weren't tight enough. There was a slight leak, so we took care of that. It's already done, and we charge it right back up. And guess what? It's holding. So no leaks. All right. The next step is remove the actual nitrogen from the system, and then we'll place it into a vacuum. So guys, this is the process you need to do in order to check for leaks. And it's also the process you need to do whenever you open up the system. You have to leak check the system, and after all that's done, then you're gonna put it into a vacuum. So guys, stay tuned. Hey, this is the process, baby. Wepa!